What you doing now, Dave?
Well, we were looking for an inexpensive way to get dude in the truck without picking him up. He's starting to get to be a beefy boy.
We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our two K&M motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. Dude here has never done steps.
Never done steps.
We're going to see how this goes.
Yeah.
And what did I find on Amazon?
Karen found these little collapsible steps.
I didn't want to spend over $300 on some kind of special steps for a semi. These are pretty lightweight too.
Yeah, they fold up real nice, lightweight.
Yep.
And then you just expand them out. And you put them right there. Just go right there and you can pull them out. Look at that.
How about that?
Come on, dude. Come on, buddy. No, show them the steps.
You're good. Okay, dude.
Look at that. Whoa, look at that, huh? Okay. You're up in here.
Come here, dude. That works.
Coming back up.
Whoa. A little rambunctious.
He's a crazy man.
But he can do it. It's a real sturdy fabric. And it's waterproof. Folds right up. Nice.
Now folding it up's a real trick.
Oh my. According to Amazon, the 5 steps are made with an extra thick rust-proof metal frame, a wide non-slip rubber-coated surface to prevent pets from slipping while they're going up and down the steps. With the wide steps, it can support up to a 150-pound dog. It has an adjustable height from 30 inches to 40 inches, and that's why we liked it, because it worked for our semi-tractor. These steps are lightweight and portable, only weighs 12 pounds, and can be folded to a small size. It is easy to carry and takes up little space when stored. Customer ratings was 4.3 out of 5 with nearly 300 reviews. You can see the actual breakdown for the ratings for ease of use, ease to fold, lightweight, and sturdiness. We think this product's pretty good. We like the price of it, so we purchased it. If you'd like to get one for yourself, click on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.